So one of the things when you're picking out a new vendor is you're wondering what you're going to do with your existing tooling. You might own the tooling already. You just need to move it here. We can help with that. Some of the problems that you have to worry about when you're thinking about moving tooling: was your previous vendor maintaining the tooling properly for you? Were they running the production that you needed? Were they just giving you the support that you were hoping to get out of them? And that is something that we are the best at. We can facilitate that move. While other stampers might tool for a specific press, we're going to tool for many presses so that we're versatile, so that we can always hit deliveries. If you don't own your tooling, we are fully qualified, ready to design, develop, and produce new tooling for you. So we've got about a 45,000 square foot tool and die area with 25 journeyman tool and die makers working around the clock. Most stamping companies aren't even that size. We've got a lot of expertise in-house with tool and die building. Many, many years of experience. We have 23 stamping presses ranging from 200 tons up to 880 tons. So as a plant manager, my job is affecting everybody here. I need to make sure that I remove all the barriers so that our people can get their jobs done and get our customers their parts on time. So the key aspects, what we're watching day-to-day production, are safety, utilization, efficiency, good quality. We need to make sure that our presses are turning around the clock. If we aren't utilizing our equipment, we're not meeting delivery. 24/7 operation. So